my feet don't touch the ground right now. Let me fix my hair really quick. You guys, my hair is so long. Like, let me show you what it looks like. My hair is so long right now, and it is so hard to manage. I really want to get it cut, but I just feel like once I cut it, I'll regret it. Ugh. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Can you guys see my water bottle? Thanks for clicking on today's video. I am doing a fall must-haves, fall wardrobe must-haves video, or I guess it's like a wardrobe essentials video, but these are just things that I think you guys should definitely keep your eyes out for this fall and winter. I've been doing a lot of styling of these pieces on my TikTok and my Instagram, shameless plug, so that's on my pages now if you want to check that out. But let's get started. The first thing that I picked out that I think, you know, every season I think comes back around during the fall time is faux leather. So in my last video I showed you guys the House of CB faux leather. I'm sorry, I'm making so much noise. And I got it in a size medium, and I showed you guys how baggy it was. And then I realized that the House of CB store is like right here in West Hollywood. So I just decided to drive myself over there, and on a day they weren't really busy. It was like a morning on a Friday, so they weren't really busy at all. I was able to exchange it for a size small. I didn't get to try it on in the store, but I had a feeling it was gonna fit, and it did. It fits me really well, actually. So this is a size small. It's nice and tight, fits like a glove, like I was mentioning in my last video. Makes your backside look really, really nice, and just faux leather in general is a great wardrobe staple for the fall and winter. This season I have them just as like straight kind of bootleg or straight leg pants. I got a few questions about it. It is a little bit pricier. There's a lot of other places that are doing those types of pants, so I'll make sure to scour the internet for you guys and link them down below. So on the faux leather trend, I haven't taken the tag off of this yet, but I showed this in my fall haul try-on video. It's just a faux leather blazer from Zara. This as well as a must-have that I think everyone should have and invest in. It's pieces that you're gonna have for a really long time, especially if you have that particular, like if you like wearing leather, then I highly recommend you getting that. I have a leather jacket, you know, like a moto jacket, but I feel like that isn't making as much of a comeback as the blazers and the pants are. I'm sorry, my email's going off. Every fall and winter, I bring these boots right back around, and for the last, is it like 2 seasons, or last year I showed you guys this, and this year I showed you guys this. I think I've been wearing these boots for 2 years now. I think I had it in 2018, pretty sure. I will have to check my YouTube videos again. But these are from Zara, and I don't know if they have them still, but I thought I would still show them to you guys because I think knee-high slouchy leather boots are just a must-have. These ones are so comfy. They're from Zara, like I said, thick chunky heel, maybe like 2.5, 3 inches, nothing too high. I've been wearing these every single season, and I cannot get enough. I love these boots. I love them so much. I wear them every single season. These are probably the best boots I've ever invested in. And if and when these ones are completely like gross and I can't wear them anymore, or there's holes in it or whatever, I definitely want to invest in the Victoria Beckham ones. I think this is a style, like I don't want to say knockoff, but it is a version of that boot. It kind of scrunches at the ankles and then it kind of goes right under the knee, which I love. So faux leather boots are definitely a fall and winter essential. I also have insoles in there, so that's what I do with all of my boots actually. So these boots here I showed in my haul, but these are quickly becoming a must-have for me. I cannot stop wearing these, and I'm like kind of like, you know, I need to get some new style inspo, but I don't know, I can't. Like, I'm obsessed with these shoes, and I probably am boring you guys by wearing these so often, but they're so good. These boots are so good. These are definitely a fall and winter staple. First of all, what more can you ask for in a combat boot? Platform, an easy zipper to get your foot in and out, you know, chunkiness, gorgeousness, the yellow trim. I mean, this is just yeah, and my arm's dying holding that up. I definitely think every fall and winter I love grabbing a like oversized chunky cardigan. I know this video is pretty much like the fall haul that I showed you guys, but this one is just like the essentials. Like this is if you are shopping and you're like, I only want a few things for the fall that I know I'm gonna wear for the rest of the season and for the upcoming years. So this one here obviously is a shorter version of the one that I have, but the reason I don't recommend getting like a chantilly, is that what it's called? I think it's called like a chantilly. I don't know if I'm making that word up, but I think that's what it's called. But my House of CB one ended up getting really frayed and holed, and like it just was a mess, and that one was kind of expensive. I got it on sale, thank goodness, but it was a mess. Like I traveled with it once, I wore it once out, and then for the most part I wore it inside, but it just got like really battered and gross. So then I got one from Aritzia, and that one's doing really well, but it's so long, it like drags to the floor. It's really, really long. So then I got this one. I felt like this one was the perfect one to take outside and actually wear like while I'm out. This knit isn't as delicate as the other two that I've purchased in the past, and it's a little bit shorter of a hemline for this one, so I really like that. It's nice and oversized, and I can definitely see myself just like doing road trips, or you know, in the winter, fall, or anything. When my boyfriend and I, we really like driving up to the mountain near us and just like having a little bit of a view while we eat. We normally like to go food and stuff, and so I could just see myself wearing this, just really cozy and snuggly and stuff. So that's a really, really nice. So crop cardigans are definitely a big trend this fall and winter time. I really love the ones from Zara. I honestly like, I know I'm pretty much showing you guys what I bought this last video, and now I'm like, is this not a good idea to put these back to back? But it's fine. Cropped cardigans are definitely a must-have for the fall and winter season. Such a good layering piece. It's so easy to wear. Let's see what it looks like with my outfit today. Let's see what it looks like. I think with a mock neck, it's pretty cute too. Oh, that's cute. I'm just looking at myself in the viewfinder, but that's kind of a nice look as well, isn't it? That's kind of nice. I think that's nice. I'm like telling myself that it's nice. So if you're looking to wear the trend but in a more modest look, I recommend just trying it like this, you know, with a mock neck underneath or a turtleneck, and then just wearing this on top, just leaving a button unbuttoned, or all the buttons unbuttoned with one button. Oh my gosh, that is probably not correct at all. Like with crop cardigans, because my chest is a little bit bigger, I don't like buttoning them up all the way, because like when I do that, it starts to, you know, open up a little bit. I saw Kendall Jenner wearing an oversized shirt in a lot of the Pinterest pictures that I was looking up for this fall and winter inspo, and I got this one a while back from Pretty Little Thing. I think it's still on the website. I have a denim one from my Walmart haul that I got a while back. This one here is by Wrangler, and it's in a size extra large, and then for this Pretty Little Thing one, it's in a size 12. I remember seeing like a beige color of this one too from the Wrangler, like at Walmart in the men's section. So I actually might go back to Walmart and pick up that one, because I wear this one all the time, and it's really nice to pair with hoodies underneath it. So yeah, this is just an extra large. I love these oversized shirts, really cute with leather pants, you know, with mini skirts underneath and boots. There's just so many different ways that you can style it. Okay, it's getting really hot. I need to take this off. So even though it's fall, it's still like really, really hot in Los Angeles. It's 91 degrees right now, so fall wear. So the second and last piece that I have to show you guys for the fall is my Nike hoodie or sweater, I guess. I've been getting so much wear and a lot of questions out of from this. Like, I've been getting a lot of questions about my sweater here. I got it from Dick's Sporting Goods. They were doing a sale, and Dick's has the best Nike stuff, honestly. Like, if you can't find it anywhere else, check Dick's. But this one here is in a size medium. If I were to purchase this again, I might have gotten a small because this is really, really oversized. Like, look how big the you know, the bat wingness of this is. It's really big, but I don't mind it. I mean, I feel like I can wear a lot of things under it, and it's just, I love the color of it so much. And then the last and final must-have are my Carhartt pants, but I don't want to just say specifically these pants here, but like just cargo style utility pants in general. If you guys like streetwear or you're kind of like into that style, I have really gotten into street style and street fashion. And yeah, I just really enjoy wearing like Carhartt stuff because their clothes are really high quality, first of all, and I just like the utility look. So these are actually men's pants that I got from Amazon. It's like a 7-pocket deal, I think. It's got pockets here, here, 2 in the back. I just cuff them up at the bottom. I wear it with a white t-shirt and it looks so good with the Doc Martens, and it just gives the utility look that I really like, that I'm going for this season. I got mine in a size 29 by 30. So like I said, I wear like a jean size 27 or 28. I have a smaller waist, but my like thigh and butt area is a little bit bigger, so that's why I had to size up to the 29 because it just would not budge. But it's not super loose around my waist. It fits really, really well, and honestly, I love how high rise it goes for me. I always shop in the men's section. I feel like men's clothing is like, sometimes I feel like it's better than women's clothing, and I've been getting a lot of wear out of this one. I'm planning on wearing it with like a black, you know, crew neck. Just a black crew neck would be nice, and a pair of J's or something like that would look really cute. So those are all of my fall must-haves for this season. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing me try all of these pieces on. I have been loving filming these YouTube videos, so if you've been enjoying them, please let me know with a big thumbs up. If you guys want to know any other information like my jewelry or different pieces in my outfits, make sure you guys check out the description box. And I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!